Okay guys, paksi with lady fingers, broccoli with cauliflower, with baggy beans, what you call this, meron pa siyang egg, boiled egg, at saka yung tawag doon, yun hindi ko alam na. And then ito yung toge, inihaw na breast, inihaw na milk peas, santan gum, coconut flour, kipi, mayonnaise, Japanese style, and then cocoa aminos. All natural carb, white vinegar, and then andito yung ating kapiprito pa lang na bangus. Okay, ayan ang ating food for today. Yan ang ating food for today. Tapos takpan na natin kasi gora na ang lola. Gora na ang lola. Pag gora na ang lola, magtatakip na. Yan. Okay. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is your Mom's Co saying thank you and I love you all. Bye-bye.